Hey gang, Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. I'm doing kind of like a humanitarian love Chincoteague, what Chincoteague is all about with the love and the caring for their community. A mom posted on Facebook that her son is 5 years old. He's celebrating his 5th birthday today, and he has never had a birthday party. 2 years because of COVID. 1 year they were living in the mountains and they didn't have anybody around them. So she posted on Facebook about me wanting to have a party for him, and 200 and some replies later, the community is showing up and making this little boy's day pretty special. So we've got the birthday boy and Spider-Man, and he's already been over to Jellystone, and Jellystone gave him a golf cart ride and all kinds of fun stuff. And it was originally supposed to be at the park, but Mother Nature didn't know what she wanted to do today. So it is, the community is showing up and just showering this sweet young man with love and just everything that Chincoteague is all about. Love, compassion, caring for each other, looking out for each other, and just all around good town. So I'm going to do little footages and put together a nice video for them, and yeah, so hopefully everybody can come on out and help celebrate Odin and his 5th birthday. So this is the cake that Ben Clark from Dockside Properties and his wonderful wife Allison have offered and contributed to this wonderful party. Look at that. He should be a professional baker. He is so talented. So thank you, Ben, and thank you, Allison, for doing this for Odin. I know they appreciate it. We're going to do a little piñata.
We're going to take pictures of this. I don't want to get in the way.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go ahead.
No!
Hit it until it breaks open. Okay.
You got it!
Arrow, careful, bud.
Yeah, watch out, Arrow,
He's
please.
already got a hole in
Alright.
it!
Good. Then
Oh, watch.
Arrow, come on.
okay. Watch out. Let someone else have a turn. Here. Okay, let someone.
Stand right next to me.
Watch out. Odin, go down there.
Yes!
Here, Axel.
Axel, let someone else have a
Let him. Let.
Can I have one? Hey, I'll go out there.
Yeah, we can have 2.
Oh, that was a good one. I know.
That is.
I feel like the bigger kids are gonna get it. All right, let's see if Arrow wants to turn. Arrow, do you want to turn? Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch
It's
out.
almost time. Look, I
Stand
see.
by me.
Watch out!
I have stand by me. Yes, Will, you can have a turn.
Stuff's
with
coming
Arrow.
out. Yeah, I don't know if it's candy. Yeah, it's not candy, Odin. It's surprises. It's not candy. Hit it hard, Arrow. Can you reach it? Yeah. All right, let the girls go. Okay. Do you want to do it? You want to go hit it?
Go ahead.
Daddy
Yes.
can hold you.
Why don't you just
Go
stand
get it,
first?
Willow.
I'm gonna stand here. Okay, you got it!
Oh my goodness.
I wonder what this is. I saw something in there. There's toys. Mom, look! I got
Do you want to?
something!
Does she want to hit it?
Justin, you want to hit it? Okay, you want to hit it?
Oh no.
Watch it. I'm gonna do better.
You gonna come hit it?
Huh?
You won't even see it now, right?
Can you give her the...
Oh, sorry.
No, up here.
Yeah, you're
Look up.
fine.
Thank you.
Axel,
Thank you.
Axel, go down there, baby. Go down there. Everybody that's already had a turn, do down there.
Nice.
All right,
Here,
Nice.
go.
ready?
Arrow's sitting on
That's right. Everybody who's had a turn is going down there. So are you.
Hit it hard.
Hit it. One more round. Okay, good job. Whoa.
Yeah, that's so fun.
Good job. Who's
Okay.
next?
Okay.
Let's see. Let's do this.
Oh my gosh, look at this. The fire department showed up. CVFC, you guys rock. Thank you, Chincoteague.
They're coming for Odin's birthday.
How cool.
What is that?
If Odin doesn't want it, yes, but he might keep it.
The one and only Hunter Leonard. Hunter, you are awesome.
He's coming around.
He is opening up the fire truck. This is so awesome.
Okay, we'll all look at it all together. All right, we'll get
The birthday boy is in the fire truck. This is so cool. I'm gonna go in there and see it. The no-see-ums are horrific. Although I am seeing them. I see them. Oh, they're hiding in my hair. It's the hairspray. I just have to say thank you to the community. It was a great day for Odin. He was so excited. He was so happy to see everybody. So, and now a little message from Odin himself. So thank you, Chincoteague. Once again, you've proven that you're the best community to live in. And I had to leave, but I'm so glad I was able to be there and see Odin's face every time somebody else walked up, just to show him love. So Chincoteague, you're the best. You say thank you, everybody.
Look, go say thanks.
Thank you, everybody.
We're so glad to help you out, Odin. You are an awesome kid. Give me a high five. All right. This is Odin, the birthday boy, and this is his mom, Rebecca. And I know she's just loving all the love that Chincoteague is showing. So, all right. So we'll do some more, and hopefully Odin's going to have I know not hopefully. Odin's going to have a spectacular day.